future tense with be going to. Usage: when you have already decided to do something in the future. What you think, what will happen. Form: be or am, are, is, plus going to, plus infinitive. Examples for affirmative, negative, and interrogative in the future tense with be going to. I am going to stay, or I'm going to stay. I am not going to stay, or I'm not going to stay. Am I going to stay? He is going to leave, or he's going to leave. He is not going to leave, or he isn't going to leave. Is he going to leave? You are going to be sorry for what you did, or you're going to be sorry for what you did. You are not going to be sorry for what you did, or you aren't going to be sorry for what you did. Are you going to be sorry for what you did? She is going to be a great teacher, or she's going to be a great teacher. She is not going to be a great teacher, or she isn't going to be a great teacher. Is she going to be a great teacher? We, you plural, or they are going to eat out, or we're, you're, or they're going to eat out. We are not going to eat out, or we aren't going to eat out. Are we going to eat out? It is going to rain tomorrow, or it's going to rain tomorrow. It is not going to rain tomorrow, or it's not going to rain tomorrow. Is it going to rain tomorrow?